Yes, it's called Alice in the Wonderland. Yes, and you watch it on the big TV on the SM. Labio, Panday?
Because we watched Labio kanina with the Panday one with the Mumu tail.
And you're scared? Why you got scared?
Yes, and I'm so brave and I'm Darna.
You're Darna.
My 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 friends. Keisha and Joyce and
How about me? What superhero am I? Am I Darna too?
yes, you and me too, Darna.
How about Kuya? Hey, who is that?
Snow White.
Why? And that? Who are those?
Snow White's friend.
Snow White friends? Huh? A witch?
Yes. And when Snow White is the apple, Snow White is die.
Oh, Snow White will die. And
Eat at that.
yes, but when the prince kisses Snow White, she will be awake. Right?
And he said kanina on her bed.
On her bed. You wanna be dead too? You wanna eat the apple from the witch?
What a fine day for a climb in Newton. And a fine day over here.